Cafelffe 3-in-1 Portable Coffee Machine. Your espresso anywhere, anytime. The Cafelffe 3-in-1 Portable Coffee Machine is the ultimate solution for coffee lovers who crave a rich, flavorful espresso on the go. This compact, lightweight, and manually operated machine empowers you to brew delicious espresso wherever your adventures take you, eliminating the need for bulky equipment or electrical outlets. Key features: 3-in-1 versatility. Enjoy the freedom to brew your favorite espresso using Nespresso capsules, Dolce Gusto capsules, or ground coffee. This adaptability ensures you can always have your preferred brew, regardless of your location. Manual operation, no batteries or electricity required. Embrace the simplicity of manual espresso brewing. This machine relies solely on hand pressure, making it perfect for off-grid adventures, travel, or simply enjoying a moment of tranquility. Rapid brewing time. Experience the satisfaction of a freshly brewed espresso in just 1 to 2 minutes. The efficient hand press mechanism delivers a consistently rich and flavorful extraction. Compact, lightweight, and portable. Designed with the modern traveler in mind, this espresso machine is incredibly compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your backpack, luggage, or even a large pocket. Hot and cold water compatibility. This machine is designed to work with both hot and cold water, offering flexibility in your brewing preferences. Easy to use and clean. The intuitive design and removable components make the Cafelffe portable coffee machine incredibly easy to use and clean. Simply disassemble, rinse, and reassemble for hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for travel, hiking, camping, and home use. Whether you're embarking on a wilderness adventure, enjoying a picnic in the park, or simply want a quick espresso at home or in the office, this machine is the perfect companion. Benefits: enjoy authentic espresso anywhere. Brew rich, flavorful espresso without the need for electricity or batteries. Unparalleled portability. The compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel and outdoor activities. Versatile brewing options. Compatible with multiple capsule types and ground coffee. Quick and easy brewing. Enjoy a fresh espresso in just minutes. Simple to clean and maintain. Removable components make cleaning a breeze. Environmentally friendly. Manual operation reduces reliance on electricity and disposable pods. Overall, the Cafelffe 3-in-1 Portable Coffee Machine is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts who value portability, convenience, and quality. Its versatile design, ease of use, and manual operation make it the perfect companion for any adventure, ensuring you can enjoy a delicious espresso wherever you go.